Take a moment to arrive. There is nothing to do, nothing to achieve, nowhere to get to. Allow your body to soften where it's been holding. The shoulders, the jaw, the belly. Let your breath slow, not because it should, but because it can. With each exhale, feel yourself settling more deeply into this moment, not leaving the world, not transcending anything, simply arriving fully into yourself. Now imagine that you are standing at the edge of something familiar, not dramatic, not grand, just familiar. It feels like standing at the threshold of your own knowing. You don't need to step forward yet. Just notice what it feels like to be here. This is not a place of becoming. It is a place of remembering. A place where you no longer need to assemble yourself, explain yourself, or justify yourself. As you stand here, feel your body recognize itself. The way you stand, the way you breathe, the way you occupy space. Now gently bring your awareness to the center of your chest. Imagine a quiet warmth there, not intense or overwhelming, just steady. This is the part of you that has always known who you are, before the roles, the effort, the expectation. Let yourself remember how it feels to be you when you are not negotiating with fear. The way your presence settles, the way your body moves when it trusts itself, the way life feels when you are not bracing. You may begin to sense an orientation returning, a posture, a tone, a quiet authority. This is not confidence you put on. It is the absence of self-doubt. Now imagine yourself from this space, moving through the world, not performing or proving, simply being. Notice how life responds differently when you are not chasing it, when you are not managing it, when you are not asking for permission. You don't need to picture a future. You don't need to see outcomes. Just notice the quality of being here, in yourself, as yourself. This is identity remembered. Now, very gently, allow these words to settle in your body, not as affirmation, not as command, just as truth. I am. Let that be enough. I am. Nothing added, nothing taken away. Just I am. As you rest here, feel how natural this is, how uncomplicated, how familiar. You are not creating yourself. You are not reinventing yourself. You are simply allowing what is already true to take up space again. When you're ready, begin to bring your awareness back to your breath, to the weight of your body, to the surface beneath you. Carry this remembrance with you, not as something to hold tightly, but as something that will meet you again every time you soften. And when you're ready, open your eyes. This is not the beginning. This is the return.